Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to bypass website paywalls. Many websites use paywalls to monetize their content, but there are several clever ways to access articles without a subscription. We'll explore a few effective strategies, from using browser features to employing third-party tools. These methods can help you read that one article you really need, often in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and uncover these helpful tricks. One of the most straightforward approaches involves using specialized browser extensions. These handy tools can often detect and disable the scripts that create paywalls, allowing you to view the full article. Simply search your browser's extension store for paywall bypass or similar terms. Always choose extensions with good reviews and a strong user base to ensure they are safe and effective. It's a quick and easy way to gain access. Another excellent strategy is to use web archive sites. Services like the Internet Archive's Wayback Machine often save versions of web pages before a paywall was implemented, or they simply store the full content. Just paste the article's URL into the archive site. Additionally, your browser's reader mode can be surprisingly effective. This feature strips away distractions, and sometimes the paywall itself, giving you a clean, readable version of the text. For more persistent paywalls, you might try disabling JavaScript in your browser settings. Many paywalls depend on JavaScript to load, so turning it off can sometimes reveal the content. Remember to re-enable it afterward for normal browsing. Also, if a site offers a free trial, consider using a temporary email service to sign up without committing your primary address. Finally, opening articles in an incognito or private browsing window can occasionally bypass certain tracking-based paywalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.